If you have been applying to jobs and not getting callbacks, this video is for you. Let's talk about why your resume might be getting ignored and, most importantly, how to fix this. Hello everyone, I am Sona Bhatt, career coach and executive resume writer with over 12 years of global experience. I'm going to keep this video very simple and straight to the point. Just let me know in the comment section, have you ever sent 30 or 40 job application and all you get is just silence? No calls, no email, nothing. It hurts, right? I know it. But the truth is, it's not about you, it's about your resume. Most resume I see, especially from Indian professional, there is same sort of mistake. Number one mistake I see is too much information. You know what I noticed that in India, people try to put everything over there on the resume from day one to what they are doing right now, from college to their experience. They put everything on the resume, but they are forgetting one thing. Recruiters spend only 5 to 6 seconds time to scan your resume. It should be aligned with what is your target job or what exactly you are targeting. See, if everything will be there on the plate, it will be very confusing what to choose. And that's why resume should be perfectly aligned with the requirement. Not everything, but very specific things. See, there is no clear focus on the resume, and that's the mistake number two. Yes, I'm open for any opportunity. No, but recruiter want to know something specific. They are hiring for a specific role. So you cannot say I'm open for all the opportunities, or you cannot put so many job skills over there on the resume. Your resume should speak clearly that I'm ready for this role. Let's say you are applying for software engineer. So your resume's first few lines should speak about, yes, you are ready for the software engineer role, or you are already doing the software engineer role. That way it will be very simple and focused resume that will give you help. Third common mistake that I usually see, like 90% of time I see, is the resume looks very outdated. I have seen resumes that starts with career objective and it has long paragraph, and it's the very outdated version. Sometimes it looks like a school going or a college pass out resume, but the person is having 15 years of experience. So outdated resume is a big no. It should align with the industry requirement or what is in the trend. The fourth common mistake that I see on the resume is resumes are not ATS friendly. Many companies use ATS to scan resume. If you have tables, photographs, pictures, so many of data on your resume, it will be hard for ATS system to scan your resume. So it is very much important that create a resume that is ATS friendly. Moreover, if you create a ATS friendly resume, your resume will be more targeted and it will solve all the problem. Like it will be trendy, it will be having alignment with the target role. So ATS is very important that most of the time I see missing on the resume. Okay, now let's fix the problems. Here's what works perfect for 2025. So whether you are in tech, finance, marketing, or any field, always start your resume with a strong summary. No career objective, big no. So instead, write 3 to 4 lines at the top and say who you are, what you do, and what you are best at. Like, let's say you are a project manager with 7 years of experience. So say project manager with 7 years of experience in IT delivery, stakeholder communication, and agile execution. In a simple statement, we clearly answered the question what you are bringing to the table. Second important thing is don't share the same resume everywhere. See, each job description is having something different, some keywords that company is focusing on. You have to read the job description very carefully and align your resume according to the job's requirement. It is a very simple task. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Always create a master resume, and every time when you are applying for a job, use your master resume, do little edits on the resume as per the job requirement, and then your resume is ready and ATS compliant to apply for the position. Trust me, it will take 5 to 6 minutes. Use and pick the right keyword and align it in your resume seamlessly. No copy paste. Make it as a part of your resume. It should align, it should speak about your story. If the job says data analysis and Power BI and your resume is just saying Excel and reporting, then it's not a match. You have to incorporate these keywords also. Now, third point you have to focus is use bullet point, not paragraph. See, paragraph sounds very bored. When somebody reads, it loses the interest. Where bullet points are more engaging. Use at least 3 to 4 bullet points that should speak about your accomplishment, what you have done, what happened because of you. Numbers play a very major role. If you have numbers in matrix, use the matrix in the bullet point. Now, the fourth point that we need to focus on is your font and the presentation of the resume. Use simple fonts, no color, no fancy outlines, no fancy text on the resume. No, it should be simple. The more you will be comforting the eyes, the more good response you will be getting. Calibri Times Roman are perfect for the resume. Use black font and give little space, white space on the resume for breathing, because when little white space is there, resume looks more readable. And readability is something very important when it comes to resume. See, everyone start the journey from the same point. I can feel the frustration. I know because I also been there. I know when resumes don't get selected how it feels, and when it not get attention it feels like what I'm doing wrong. But few changes, few simple things can make a big impact on your career journey. Always remember, your resume is not just a document, it's your marketing tool. You cannot go everywhere. First thing is your resume reaches to them. So, if it is not selling you properly, if it is not explaining your skills, your experience perfectly, and it is not saying that, yes, I'm the perfect match for the role, they will not call you for interview. So, it is very important to invest your time and little energy on the resume if you really want to grab more interview calls. If you found this video helpful, give it a like button and share it with someone who want to hear this today. I'm your coach Sona Bhatt, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what you are waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and what you will get in return is career development videos, interview preparation, resume writing, and LinkedIn optimization tips.